Good morning student, welcome to the virtual classes of Jet Kids. In our today's video, I am going to end our this chapter and also I am explaining you how to write down the question and answers. Okay. Now today we will see what is software. So what is software? Software is a set of programs. Software is a set of instructions. See, a set of instructions given to the computer to make it work is called a program. A set of programs is called a software. Now, what is program? Program is created by using some languages, not Hindi and Marathi language, some computer languages. We are making computer languages. Through computer languages we are making some programs, and through that programs it is possible to make a software. So this is the way how to make a software. So for that we have to learn what is computer language. After computer language you can make so many programs, and by using those programs we can make a software. It has a long process. So software, what it is doing, it is a set of instructions given to the computer to make it work is called a program. A set of instructions given to the computer to make it work is called a program. So some instructions are given to the computer to how to work. For example, operating system is there, MS Word is there, MS PowerPoint is there. We are using that, all those things. So it is a software. We are installing it in our computer so that it can work for us. Okay, that is your software. So there are two types. See the image of software. It is just like a simple image. Software we can't see. You know that hardware we can touch and we can see, but software we can't see, we can't touch. That is software. So it is only an imaginary image. It is not a perfect software image. Okay. Now we will see two types of software. Which are the two types of software? One is system software and one is application software. Now what system software is doing and what application software is doing? So system software means it controls the entire computer system. System, it is related to system, means it is controlling the whole computer system. Whatever the things are going on inside the computer are connected directly to the system software, and the application software is which helps us to do some work, to work out some work. That is your application software. So now what is system software? We will see first of all what is system software. It controls the entire computer system. For example, you know our operating system. Nowadays we are using operating system like Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10. These are the main latest operating system which are nowadays we are using. So Windows 10 is an operating system. We are working inside the operating system Windows 10. We can't go inside it and do our work. Others are only the application software, but system software is working for us. That is operating system. Operating system, we once we have installed it, it overall the things are related to only system software. That is operating system works for us inside, from inside. Internally it is working for us. Okay, that is your system software. So now next one is the application software. What is application software? Application software helps others, means helps any user to solve particular problem. So what are the particular problems? For example of application software is MS Word, MS Paint, MS Office. All these are related to application software. We are going inside the MS Paint, we are painting there. We are going inside the MS PowerPoint and we are doing our PowerPoint slides. We are going inside the Word and we are doing our work in Word, in Excel. Everywhere we are doing our work by going inside it. So that is they were we can go inside and we can do our work, but we can't go inside the operating system and do our work. Operating system is working for us, and application software we can go inside and we can use it for our work. Okay, these are the two types of software, and here our chapter is ended. Now today I will explain you how to write down the question answers. Today's we have only two topics remain. That's why this today's video is very short, and in our next video we will start our second chapter. Okay, now we will see the question answers of this. See, I will send you the PDF file of this also. tomorrow, today only I will send you. But see how to write the question answers. Question number D, from question number A, B, C, D, whatever the multiple choice questions are there, if you have any doubt you can ask me. Some things you have to do yourself. Okay, I will send you, otherwise you have, if you have any doubt, otherwise solve it yourself. So hard disk, handheld system and webcam, these are the answers of first three questions. One word questions are there, their answers. And then question number E, short answers. So this is the answer of question number E1. It is perfectly clear. If you want you can stop the video and you can write, otherwise I am sending you the PDF file. That PDF file you have to open and you have to write down the question answers. And first 5 students of your class, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you have to show me the answers. Okay, I will call, I will tell you which 5 student, first 5, any first 5, first 5 question, roll number 1 to roll number 5, they have to show me their answers ready, and show me your answers, send me on our WhatsApp group. Okay, you can send me personally also. This is your first answer. Next, this is your second answer, RAM and ROM. Third point I kept it for you. If you have any type of instructions regarding to RAM and ROM, you can put it down in third point. Okay, now the third question is system software and application software. Three points I have given you. Write down properly. It is, everything is from your textbook only, so write down properly. One day we will take our exam also, Google form, on Google form. Okay, write down each and every answers properly, everything is written there. So today's video is very short, so that I can explain you the remaining topic, which is the topic remain is software only, that is system software, application software and all. And the next one is your question answers, how to write down the question answers and how to do it properly. Okay, in our interactive session, if you have any doubt you can ask me, but don't forget to write down answer. First 5 you have to show me your answers, but others you have to show, don't show me, but you have to keep it ready with you, so that anytime if I am asking you for the answers, you are ready with your answers. Keep your notebook ready, keep your notes ready, so that in our exam it will be easy for you and me also to check out. Okay, once again we will see the softwares. Two types of software, system software, application software. System software is working for us, and application software we can go inside and we can work for it. Okay, and what is software? A set of instructions given to the computer is known as software. Okay, if you want to write a set of instruction given to the computer to make it work is a program, and a set of program is called a software. Okay, now today's video is short, so that I start our new chapter in our next video. Write down all the question answers, everything will be ready with you. It must be ready with you. I will say anyone to please report with your question answers. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.